me a cinnamon, you don't know you in the mix with Reggae Selector UK.
Run the track! Bang! Yeah, man, a fire oil, easy me. You know, dancehall style. You know the thing, yeah. Dog, no ask my business if you know the business. No shot ching the cost no shifting. Need to pay for the gas in the car me switch with. My whole existence kinda priceless, it's all expensive. Me keep my circle tiny, come in no want for link with some type of niggas we change friends every 40 minutes. Or discriminate someone in them absence. Then when them come back around I laugh and grinning. Fuck that, left the rave, hella bitches all about 90 on the highway, you know 50 miles on. Passenger just says she need that dick for your mouth. Anybody text me, me miss the vice now. Tap a split for light now. Next venue in a half an hour. Remember, Austin Powers. Some say me phenomenal, me have some awesome powers. 98% of sheep I'll see are just undercover wolves. How we go? Wolves, dragons and vipers and bears. Wolves, dragons and vipers and bears. Wolves, dragons and vipers and bears. Yeah, but who cares about some wolves, dragons and vipers and bears? Wolves, dragons and vipers and bears. Wolves, dragons and vipers and yeah. Them a wolf in a viper clothes. Me no pay them mind because my time expensive, but not just cause me wear designer clothes. Hey, voila, next to them now. Now with us there I go through, you know where vibes go. Big up Frankie music right through, you know where thing go. Yeah, Reggae UK. What got hip hop now? Cause I don't know the vibes. I'm there under some I put on a Red Bull so you know the style bro. There you go again. Ready for fuck up the beat, me no use no condom. Brain soda random, some a super random. Them a move in tandem, some a cruise up on them. Hi Savannah. Lyrically in a permanent beast mode. Listen me ethos, make sure you understand me. Hi Savannah. Choose a man who a shooter man, them feel them a superman. That's a foolish plan, empty a nose upon them. Hi Savannah. Me have a mango tree and some bars stuff the mango seed. Watch the pre, they be like, Fire Royal, I heard of you. You're a murderer. You burn up people's nerves with the words. Them call you a curse, you know. And every day them cursing you while rehearsing your verse, you know. None of them no firm, you know. Go easy, them no deserve it, bro. Shit. Lyrical criminal, fuck subliminals. And if you want the privilege for your clash, make a bigger song. Shit. All them make a fuck tunes and killer songs and wonder why them stuck in the ditch and want far place. Round this, sir. But fuck that. Better know them want to give me gunshot. But it's imaginary, so fuck that. But go and come back. Sister, some of them boy you just love chat. Give him a lumber or point him to a floor if you scrub that. Then I pull up on your girl like, bitch, give me your number. Somehow she love that. Anyway, back to the fun, bruh. Me slicker than okra. While them chasing for your vlogger, you go see me on Oprah. That's a different level. Sickest thing whatever existed. Spitting like my want me ex-miss me. Texting shit. Still a med spawn me, but my attention stays focused on the next bad thing, focused on the next bad rhyme and the next bad flow. That means me not text back, bro. Probably you shoulda mentioned those artists when me step on, bro. You need figure med span growth. Honestly, your far right of the targets for my weapon, bro. I'm like, hear the man. Everybody nowadays a alien. And if me say you fuck with that, then they woulda say me wrong. But clearly the man, them hear me song, the man turning us some crazy fans. So let me raise the bar once more. I'm a tall like whoa, so them have to jump and fall back down and massage that ground. Bang bang boss back now. The real reason why the reggae actors start rap now. I'ma talk that proud. You can go and run. Bang bang boss back now. The real reason why the reggae actors start rap now. I'ma talk that proud. Know that I'm overly confident. I'm proud of it. I'm showing it boastfully. Notice me focusing on my flows and approaching it like a pro without no remorse for sure. Ain't no slowing down. I'm flowing it. It's futile for deny my talent, you know it. I true me I know them cousin or a school homie, but fuck that, me rather the more them too boring. Like the right side of my nose with too boring. True story, them need to grow up. Used to want to teach the youth, now them a throw a word. But they the focus, them turn local, some no support. So, me willing for Shogun if you no show up and kick it like Shogun. Difference between me and them, me actually challenge myself. Them want the riches, but me focus on channeling wealth. Them want someone to mimic, but me bad as myself. Long story short, me now have nothing in common with them. Easy for chop out the strap, well loaded at the location on a XYZ. But me just be I wonder, what do you meds, my G? Oh, you have something to prove, and your chest like steel. Dog, you lame. But anyway, I'ma smoke a zoot and mess them tune ya. Cruising in the back of a Nova, pulling up to your mama. But you never know she was a cougar youth, he was my junior. Loser. So when I say you're bad, I'm like, warm to the youth, yeah. Cool, bruh, I am a different breed. You're now witnessing an actual lyricist. So listen please, the delivery coming quickly. Me giving these dumb pickaninnies, couple crippled knees with similes and syllables. Sicker than me? You're silly, jeez. If them have bit unlocked, they need keys. Them a play people good, pretty shit. I see them like Tweedledum and Tweedledee. Yeah, I'ma do it so easily. Then I wonder if me do it in my sleep. Me will steal a queen and see how freaky she can be. Jiggling the cheek, she set for fleet instead of tweet. Yeah, tell that flow, bye bye now, like bye bye bro. And my mind full of rhyme like wow, I'ma fly like cloud. And I might pull a drive by now, for the night crowd, for the limelight or prime time love. The guys that's done and try that stuff. So why not? I'm spitting fire in my saliva. She give me vagina, but call me style bad.
Yeah, man,
Future lyrical icon, you man a eye that.
Reggae selector UK.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Boom. College. Yo, Lali, you hear that? Yeah, do you face? But they say we ain't done nothing going a stretch. We got man like Frankie Music around there. We got the DJ with the DJ name. Somebody tell me where DJ name. Somebody tell me where DJ name. Big up quality. Hey, hold on now. Make it go around. I'm properly big up DJ quality, cause them wanna play music with quality. You get me? And me know them a sit and watch me on Instagram and them a chit and chat about this and that. Give them a sister frack. We know them a yip and yap, come sick as a wicked aristocrat. Whether they live and crack and overweight and full up a liver spot. Anyway, you get the point.
Bomboka, suck your mother poverty.
Yeah, man, cinnamon, you don't know you in the mix with Reggae Selector UK.
What's the back of the film now? Por favor, y de nada.
Spanish.
You know? Yeah. Over there, same way. Children, drink responsibly. Must be 25 and older. Visit your Appleton sponsors website and them something there. Dog, me know them a sit and watch me on Instagram and them a chit and chat about this and that. Give them a sister frack. Me know them a yip and yap, cause me sick as a wicked aristocrat. Whether they live and crack and overweight and full up a liver spot. Anyway, you get the point. Rolling up another giant doesn't make a point. Smoke clear but me step in night. Cold gate for your better smile. Cold great but me prefer my old ways when me take a mic. Crowd real when me make a nice. So great to be recognized. Tell the youth them when on no food, say possible for your better life. Trust me, I've been there. Shift and pan better nice. Water, figure better night. No man can take a flight. Get the point? Yeah. Told truth and me never lie. That's why my flow's cool and me see the booth and me step in night. Some stupid dumb youth see the growth and want make a fight. But the school coming ready for that. Space fuel man I make out tight. Yeah. Twisted mind. Sometimes me wonder how the shit's designed, but me leave a mind. Some quick to smile then switch the style. Honestly me that like, see if me can fit my knife up in them tripe and see what them eat last night and feed them it. Now picture that. Like someone with up on Instagram or in a one Twitter chat. Everything go on, me links no come if you giving a lip and chat. More like a kick and box for the fun of it, then full up your ribs a shot. That you want hear, though. Want hear man sing bow, man talk here, though. So boy brain spread out like spill cornflakes, though. So me head chip and fully charged and me not change, though. That a fuck you. Me no come for the fuckery, me no love say the dumb shit. You have to cut this, me no come for your mong this type of nonsense. Maybe it's because I think. Alright, let me not say that. But honestly, me just wanna say me not tolerate crap. Yeah. Let me hear the next with him then. Come on, we go like that picture.
Bars for days.
Yeah. And it go bang 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 bang. And it go bang 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 bang. And it go. And them say royal your bud. Like speeding after 52 cup, you keep it real and you speak the truth enough. And me say bang bang enough respect them, me skip the group hug. Me not so friendly, not even two touch. 5 out they all bout with them case, they must be the new clocks. If I know them crime, not reach the news front. And I see people opposing, but now do nothing. Just a tweet for likes and some do it for Europe. Me not so keen, but me have a different view. Wouldn't mind for buy an isolated island, plant up the hillside and till some fruit. From time realize this world full of spies and income poops. And if you try to open up them eyes, you're quickly slain. No, quickly slain. And the message left as a far cry in the mountains. You know listen Jane. And the cycle repeats and it's still the same. Hey, them say me look like a grimy version of Kabaka B, a prodigy. But me disagree and accept all apologies. Obviously I just the locks them see and cause me spit sick as an orient in a quarantine. Me grab the mic and show them me that I will love, Creep up like a war machine, unleash it and destroy the beat. Me do this for fun, easy like 1 and 3. You feeling froggy cause you're salty, know you wanna leap. Haha, be it, suck your mother, the man ya, great. And me say that to your face. What the fuck you gonna say? Cause you're not gonna do nothing. Politician don't have your 2 buttons on it. Hey, you know what I'm done.
Fire done! Fire done! Fire done!
EMS Cinnamon, you don't know you in the mix with Reggae Selector UK.
You get me?